Welcome back, dear friends, to another cozy moment of creativity and heart. Today we are going to step in the warm glow of Christmas, where the scent of pine, cinnamon, and memories fill the air. And in this story, we are not just talking about the Christmas tree, we are talking about a handmade Christmas tree and the beautiful lesson that lives within it. So make yourself comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Long ago, in a small snowy town nestled between pine forests, there lived a young girl named Lyanna. The village she lived in celebrated Christmas every year with joy, music, and decoration. But Lyanna's family was different. They did not have much money. Her father worked fixing old wooden carts, and her mother sewed clothes for neighbors just to make ends meet. Every December, Lyanna would through the town square and admire the large, sparkling Christmas tree placed in the center. It stood tall, covered with lights and beautiful ornaments. Children gathered around it with excitement, but Lyanna always stood a little farther back watching. She dreamed of having her own Christmas tree at home. Just a small one would be enough, but even that felt impossible. One cold morning, as the snowflakes danced gently from the sky, Lyanna went with her father into the wood to collect firewood. The world was quite peaceful, like the forest was holding its breath. And that's when Lyanna saw it. A small bundle of falling branches, perfectly shaped, almost like the outline of a little tree. She picked one up, then another, then a few things, pine cone and bits of green pine, needles still fresh with winter scent. Her father smiled gently. Sometimes the most beautiful things, he said, are the ones we create ourselves. Those words sparked something in her heart. That evening, while her mother stitched clothes near the warm oven fire, Lyanna spread the branches on the table. She tied the twigs together using simple jute rope. She used pine cone as ornaments. She decorated with dried berries and tiny bits of fabric scraps. Slowly, piece by piece, a Christmas tree began to form, a handmade Christmas tree. Small, humble, gentle, but full of love. When she finished the room, she cried, even the fire seemed to glow a little warmer. Her mother placed a little candle beside it. Her father simply whispered, "This is beautiful." Lyanna had tears in her eyes, not of sadness, but of pride. So, thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for supporting us. And this, dear listener, is why handmade Christmas trees hold a magic of their own. When you make something with your hands, you are not just creating an object, you are creating time spent with heart, loved, shaped into form, a memory that will last beyond that lesson. Let every pine cone remind you of nature's gifts. Let every thread of jute remind you that simplicity can be beautiful. Let every tiny imperfection remind you that perfection is never the goal, connection is. In life, we often think we need bigger, shinier, more expensive things to feel joy. But true joy is found in meaning, not money. So, dear listener, in life we often think we need bigger, shinier, more expensive things to feel joy. But true joy is found in meaning, not money. A handmade Christmas tree may not sparkle like store-bought ones, but it glows with effort, warmth, patience, creativity, and love. The lesson Lyanna learned and shared with her village is simple. Happiness is not something you buy, happiness is something you create. And that is the true spirit of Christmas. So, as you begin your decoration this year, consider making something with your hands, even a